Welcome friends. Today let us review Croma table fan. Croma is a brand of Tata Enterprises. I have purchased this fan from online Flipkart facility. So I have got this fan for rupees 1499, that is at 50% discount due to this summer sales. So I have connected the power from that plug. Now let us review this fan. So this fan weighs around 2.5 kgs and this fan has two switches. So this one for speed monitoring the speed, and this one for timer. You can set the time here. So if you keep this at 30, that means this fan will switch off automatically after 30 minutes. So likewise you can keep this timer up to 120 minutes. So coming to this speed rotation, you can see this speed switch is set in such a way that 360 degrees you can see the numbers. So here, from here 0 to 4, again from here 0 to 4. So this comes with oscillation, that is rotation. You can see some symbol over the numbers, and again from here to here is a normal fan, normal airflow. So friends, let us see the simulation now. So now switches in 0. I'm just tapping it once. Now fan is on. So I'm getting enough air. I'm sitting right in front of the fan, so I'm getting enough air. So I'm moving it to 2, 3. I think now you can hear some sound. This is at high speed, getting enough air. And making it to 0. So now the switch is here in 0. Now you can see the oscillation, how it works. Oscillation is nothing but rotation of the fan. So in the normal traditional fan, fan will rotate from right to left, left to right. Here it will not happen like that, because it cannot. This is a fixed thing. This cannot rotate like this. So how oscillation works, I'll show you. I'm moving to oscillation. Now you can see the outer grill is rotating. So the wings are running and outer grills are rotating. Anti-clockwise it is rotating. The moment it rotates like this, the air hits this outer grill and air spreads across the room. I am now increasing the speed. Listen, 2, 3, and highest speed, it is at 4 now. I can show you how air spreads across the room. So I have put 2 veils in my room. One is here. See, you can see the movement of veil, and one is there. There also you can see the movement. See the movement. So air is spreading across the room. When you opt for oscillation or rotation, the air spreads across the room. The room dimension is around 8 by 10. So it completely occupies, the air completely occupies the room. This is how it works. So this is sufficient for 2 people to sleep. You can see the flow of air, how nicely it is moving. See, the speed is good enough for 2 people. So coming back to this fan. So this fan weighing about 2.5 kgs, very easy to carry, very easy to move, and less space. It requires very less space. So very attractive and cute looking. So I have rated this 5 in the Flipkart. Hope this video will help you and you will like this video. Thank you.